Yeah, we're looking forward to approvals of a second product in myeloma, the cilta-cel product. I'm hoping that we're going to see some approvals in other modalities, such as tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes. There's a T-cell receptor targeting NY-ESO that's in development by Bristol Myers and some others along the pipeline. Part of that depends on the submission calendar, and part of it, of course, will depend on the regulatory review. And what we're seeing in FDA reviews is there are some CMC challenges that are coming up. And one can point to Mesoblast, Iovance, just a couple of days ago was Mustang Bio. So CMC is big. And what the FDA has said is you might think in traditional drug approvals, the dossier will be 20% CMC and 80% clinical. But in cell and gene therapies, it's reversed. It's 80% CMC and 20% clinical.